welcome back to Made Up. It's your girl Diane, and in today's video we are doing an e.l.f. haul. Yay! And we're also gonna do a full face of e.l.f. So all the makeup I'm using today is going to be, of course, from e.l.f. Cosmetics, but I'm only going to feature the ones that I got in this haul, and I will list the rest of the products in the description box below. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's get made up. So we've got the hair Velcroed back. We are gonna start in with this Holy Hydration face cream. So this might look familiar to you. It's actually the one with SPF 30 in it. So this is a new product. I'm so excited to get this. I just got it like last week sometime, but I have refrained from trying it because I just wanted to try it on camera for the first time. So we're finally gonna get this open today. The skin has already been washed, and then I'm not using any other serums. So we're gonna go straight away with this moisturizer plus SPF 30. So let's go ahead and get this gal open. So it is basically the same container, the same everything. As you can see, it's mainly the same thing. I'm just gonna take a little off this lid here. When I first opened the jar, I feel like I smelled sunscreen, but not really. It does still have the same fresh kind of scent. So I felt like that went on really nicely. I will say that this sunscreen in here is a chemical sunscreen, so that's potentially why I don't notice too much of a difference. Had this been mineral, I'm sure it would be a different formulation altogether, but because it's a chemical sunscreen, I'll put the ingredients up on the screen right now. If you're sensitive to that, if you're a person who can only use mineral, this might not be your gal. For those of you that are okay with a chemical sunscreen, you might like this. You're getting some hydration in there. I think it so far looks really nice. I feel like it's giving me a little bit of a glow, and it feels okay. Just a little bit tacky, and I'm not sure if that will dry down, but we're gonna use makeup today anyway. It feels very nice, just like the original Holy Hydration cream. This is the regular hydration cream. This is the new one with SPF. So as you can see, they're actually very similar, but this is a blue color, and this is more of just an off-white kind of shade. The consistency is a little bit different. I feel like this one's a little bit more gel-like, but the color's the same. Yeah, the consistency is a little bit different. This one feels more like a cream, and the original feels more like a gel, but they look very similar. This smell is very similar to what's in the Holy Hydration line. If I had to peg it to something, it's a little bit like their Hydrating Coconut Mist. If you're familiar with that, that is what it smells like. We are gonna continue to crack on here. So now that the moisturizer and the sunscreen is technically done, we're gonna go ahead in with primer. I have never tried this before. It is the Hydrating Face Primer. I've actually never tried their primers that come in these tubes. They have a whole line of them. So this will be my first time using this. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna take this into my hands and rub it into my fingers. It's got a very smooth consistency. It feels like it would be blurring a little bit. It's very smooth. It feels like velvet. I felt primers like this before. It's definitely a velvety gel-like texture, and then it just kind of dissipates into the skin. We'll see how that holds up the makeup today. All right, so as far as face, that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and use some e.l.f. products. I'm gonna do their CC cream. I'm gonna get some base on the face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the camo CC cream on. I've got powder, bronzer. The next thing that we are going to try is the Primer-Infused Blush. This is not new to me by any means. I've tried this blush and bronzer before, but this is a new shade. This one is called Always Punchy. So I thought this one was gonna be a little bit more, maybe mauve-y, but I feel like it's more pink. But we're gonna give it a shot. Normally a shade like this wouldn't look that great on me or my skin tone, but we're gonna try. So I'm just gonna take this brush here. I'm just gonna tap this on and see how we like it. Not bad. On camera, you don't see it as much, but in person, it's definitely packing a punch. Because of these lights, you kind of don't see all the pigmentation that I'm getting, but let's finish on the other side and see. For some reason today, I feel like tapping and not swirling or anything. I like it. Okay, yeah, I definitely feel like I'm getting a little washed out with this ring light, but in person, it's very pigmented, and I only dipped in the pan one time on each side, and it's looking pretty lovely. Actually, I'm pleasantly surprised. I thought that was gonna be way too pink, but it's looking pretty good. I like it, yay. So always punchy, packs a punch. So now that we've got the blush on, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up on my eyes, and then I'll show you the next product on our list. All right, friends, so the eyes are done, brows, everything except for lashes. So we're gonna try this new Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. I know it's taken me a long time to give this a shot. I'm always afraid that new mascaras, you never know how they're gonna plop out, and I'm gonna end up getting mascara over everything. Crisis averted. There are the bristles there. So plastic bristles, can you guys see that? Which is what I expected. I've already curled my lashes as well, you should know. I like it so far. That is only one coat, and I can already tell I'm gonna have to stop there. I feel like if I put any more on, it's gonna get clumpy. So far, so good. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think my lashes could sustain another coat. Really, the test for this little gal is gonna be if I end up with smudging down below, which normally I do if it's not waterproof, but we're gonna give it a go. I think right offhand, this one coat looks lovely. I feel like mascara is definitely one of those things where you continually have to play with it. A few days from now, the formula is gonna be a little bit more dried out. It's gonna be different, and it might be worse, it might be better. It's just something you really have to play with mascara. So there are never any snap judgments really about mascara. You kind of just have to keep playing with it. So I will do that. And let's move on to what we have next. All right, so last but not least, I have two lip products. Now this one, this matte lip color, I've had some of these before and I actually love it. This is in the shade Praline. I am going to put this on for you guys just so you guys can see. And then I'll take it off and do this second product, which is the Hydrating Core Lip Shine, which is a new product to me. I will say this smells a little crayon-y, definitely. Whole whiff of Crayola right there, but I'm not mad at it. I love the color. I love the way it goes on. It's very creamy. And even though it says matte, it never really dries down to a true matte. I feel like it's just not glossy, but I feel like it has more of a satin finish. Then up next is this Hydrating Core Lip Shine, and this is in shade Happy. Now on these, oh, it's so cute. It supposedly has that that's the hydrating core, this little heart right here. So I'm gonna take this off and then I'll be back and I'll put We're back. On. I've gotten that lip color off, so we're gonna try this. I love that it comes with the tube that is gonna hold it all the way with really soft formulas. Anything hydrating like that or balms, I love that they're going for these tubes. Oh, there's a smell, goodness. It smells like watermelon. I absolutely adore it. It is very hydrating. Huge difference from the matte lip color, although I love this. And you're getting some color there. It's not super, super pigmented. I feel like you can still see a little bit of the hue of my natural lips, but there's definitely color. I could wear this for summer, absolutely. Oh my goodness. I'll see how that wears throughout the day, but first impressions, I love this. I'm so happy I picked this up. And I've had this in my cart like several times. I'm like, nah, let's X that out. Like at least twice I've done that. And then finally I was like, I'm gonna let it live this time. And I am so happy I did. I love it. All right, friends, that's all I have for you guys today. I am super excited about the new products that I got today, and everything worked out splendidly. I love it. If anything goes awry with the face today, I will let you know in the description box. But that's all I have for you. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. All right, friends, until next time, bye.